Hola mis coconetes! How you doing? I hope you had an amazing Tuesday. If you're new here, my name is Corinthia and I hope you watch the rest of my videos. What kind of, like, what? Anyways, like, share, subscribe, you know the vibes. So you guys know that I'm vegan and sometimes I share recipes or I'm just like advocating for veganism, and I was like, let me just try to make one of these vegan recipes that I see on Instagram. Some of the recipes on the pictures I found weren't really that descriptive, so I did go online for some of them. I tried my best, or at least I think I did. Well, let's get started. That's too chocolatey. The vinegar. Yo, apple cider vinegar stinks. Alright, I don't know this milliliter shit, so we're not doing that. Milk, banana, half a banana? What's the serving size though? Just 3 pancakes? That's all it makes? Is that enough for me? No, it's not enough for me. Alright, let me look online because, oops. Okay, so shout out to Michelle. Yes, sis. This is cute. Alright, where's the recipe? Alright. Why do they do this? I have all of this. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. Why every time I want to use the kitchen, it's a mess. Like, I don't understand. What's wrong with these people? Alright, so here's the ingredients. Gang, I don't have coconut oil, so we just gonna have to, you know, we gonna have to deal with it. This banana's been through a lot, but it is what it is.
That looks like a cup to me.
It looks like it's a lot, but it's not a lot, I promise. Got our baking powder. I'ma just like, cause that's messy, and we don't like a mess. I would love to show y'all what I'm doing. Ain't even no spoon because these motherfuckers be using all motherfucking spoon. Alright, we're gonna use a knife. It's gonna be out.
Vanilla in the house.
Dominicana, ya tú sabes. Put some cinnamon. I gotta clean my mess because I don't like having a mess when I'm cooking. Like, I just don't like messes. My room could be a mess, but like I just don't want a mess. Alright, what am I doing? Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm using a small pan so that I don't gotta, it's less chances of me ruining it. Fuck, I put too much oil.
Oh my gosh, what?
I don't know if this shit ready, B. Oh, this is hard with one hand. Fuck. Corinthia tries to make vegan pancakes with one hand. Oh, 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 oh. No, I can't do this. Come on.
Oh my god, it's only, oh my goodness. It's mad pretty. Oh.
Alright, my phone, my camera's battery died, so I gotta use my phone. I think it's, oh my god. Disaster. Alright, chocolate chip, no man left behind. It's doing way too much congo. Oh fuck, I gotta flip this. Where's my spatula? Why did I put it over there? Girl, what's wrong with you? Jeez. Mess. Whoa. This is taking a while. So, do you know what I'm gonna make next? Yesterday at work, my coworker's like, girl, your hair's getting long. I was like, feel me? I would like to get a haircut, but I don't got money for that, you feel me? It's too expensive. Low-key, crispy edges. Alright, this chocolate chip has been through hell. He's gonna go in the garbage. Oh, it's a beautiful bottom. Wow. Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. This is crazy. It's really good. Wow. 10 out of 10. We'll do again. It doesn't taste like banana-y. Because you know how like bananas are mad strong flavor, so the whole thing will taste like a banana. But this does not taste like a banana. It's like a hint. Okay. Mad dramatic. Whisk it up, baby. Gross. I'm good, sis. It look good though. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I don't have all that extra shit though. Damn, Corinthia. Yeah, it don't look like that. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Tastes good though. Alright, let's put it in the fridge for 4 hours. This is too much. Are those pistachios? Frozen berries, banana, oats. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna pronounce acai because that's extra. That's mad work. The presentation is just amazing. One sachet. Does that mean a packet? Cause like, ooh, 5 stars. Oh hey girl, Jessica. She don't say how much to put of each, so I'ma just wing it. Yo, this is my type of recipe. Like, just wing it. You feel me? Ain't no right way to do this or wrong way. All right, so I'm gonna do like some at a time because you know how blenders are. Guess I washed my hands. Leave me alone. Put a little bit of yogurt. This shit is mad liquidy, bro. What am I doing wrong? This is how it's supposed to be. Dale way. Shout out to my Mexicans. Y'all are lit. Fuck with y'all. This is what it's supposed to be. And then here's the liquid. Oh girl, you done fucked up. This is a disaster. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. It's good though. Should I finish what I started? No, I don't want to. Fail. Try again in 10 to 12 business days. I know what I could do. We're gonna use mango because mango always saves the day. What a bum ass scissors. Push. I didn't make a mess. Listen, at least I ain't throwing it out, alright? Some milk to get things moving. Like, it's good, but it's not like when I buy it at the store good. Not the store, but like a to-go place. I low-key like this. It's not my favorite though, but I like it. Here's my masterpiece. The masterpiece that looks like it came out of my ass. This looks weird. Like, what? Oh, what the hell? Oh no, this is instantly worse than Beyond Meats just because it's a pain in the ass to take out. All right, we're gonna put some nutritional yeast for flavor and B12. Some black pepper. What the hell? This is mad extra. I had this in the fridge, not even the freezer. Like, I don't understand. Oh. Nah, this is different. Beyond Meat does not give me this problem. Tofurky, you're giving me troubles. I do not like you already. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to come back after I try to mash this because this is too much. I'm trying, even with my hands, this shit is difficult. Nah. What the fuck? Unbelievable. 10 out of 10 will not do again. I mean, it smells good. This is like really kicking my ass. What? We got the Daiya provolone style cheese. The burger. I'm doing it this way so you can see what I'm doing. This is a trip. Beyond Meat does not give me this problem. I'm gonna have to make one with Beyond Meat. Coco does redo. You heard? Boom, done. Okay, so we're gonna take this. Vegan mayo concoction sauce. Weird flex, but okay. It tastes like wood with seasoning. Let me put the barbecue sauce on it, cause. All right, this is our progress. Frying the cheese because this cheese does not melt to save a day in my life. A very special someone told me to try this, and it's pretty damn good. So we're gonna whoop. I know you might be like, this is too much, but I'm the one eating it. This is pretty cool. Whoa. There we go. Nah, bro, what? This is good as fuck. This is mad good. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and this was difficult. I really thought it was gonna be like something real simple. I'm just like, what? I'm gonna try again on my own time. Maybe if I get it right, I'll put it on Instagram. That Tofurky, I'm never buying that shit again. Beyond Meat is the way to go. The Daiya cheese, the provolone, I don't really like it. That's why I used it. Like, I like the mozzarella strands and the cheddar strands, but the jalapeno one's really good too. But the provolone, I don't like it. That's why I used it in the video, because I was trying to get rid of it ASAP. The acai, whatever, bowl, I'm gonna just stick to buying it. That was a disaster. Them pancakes though, that's a recipe for life, baby. The chia pudding, it says either 4 hours or overnight. So I checked after like 6 hours and the chia seeds didn't expand completely. So I'm gonna leave it overnight. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. So here's a clip explaining how I feel. All right, y'all. I don't need a man open my jar. Ta-da! Alright, this is good. Where's you? Okay. It's very like rich. The chia seeds texture is not annoying. Doesn't feel slimy. I'm gonna be making this more often. I really like this. And chia seeds help with digestion. So if you're having trouble pooping, this is the